enjoy some fresh watermelons, cantaloupe to cool down from this hot weather.
Yeah, try and stay cool out there, Scott. It's going to be a hot one. And we do have that red flag warning again today, also known as a fire weather warning. It just means that it's so dry out there that it is critical wildfire weather. So relatively low humidity, those west-northwest winds picking up, and those high afternoon temperatures that we will see across the valley and desert today. So any fires that develop will likely spread rapidly, so you want to be aware of that and cautious. And we have another day of moderate air quality with an AQI of 100, so it hasn't gotten worse, but it hasn't gotten better, unfortunately. And like I said, those temperatures reaching those triple digits. We're looking at a high of 104 here in Bakersfield, and in our mountain communities, still pretty warm and dry. Those temperatures reaching those 90s in our southern mountains, those triple digits up in the Kern River Valley, and over in those deserts, it's going to be a hot one. Excessive heat warning for those desert cities as those temperatures reach 110 in California City and Ridgecrest. I'll have more details on your 7-day forecast in just a bit.
Emma, thank you. And coming up on 23 ABC News at 6 a.m.